The Anglican Diocese of Trinidad and Tobago celebrates 200 years of its consecration. Join us on November 14th at 5 p.m. as we celebrate our anniversary with host Wendell Constantine and members of the Diocesan HTC Committee. It's all happening on TV6.